Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this session I am going to tell you about the free course for the artificial intelligence for the beginners. So we have a website called as Alison.com, which is an online platform which provides a free course on AI. You can get a course free. For the certificate you need to pay a minimum amount. So let's get started on how you can do a free AI course and you can get a certificate by paying a minimal amount on a Alison platform. On a screen, you can see I have opened a website called as Alison, and we have a course called as an Introduction to the Artificial Intelligence. Now this course is free online technology course which explains the importance of mastering the concept of artificial intelligence, that is AI. So you can do this course for free, but for certification you have to pay a minimal amount. Now what you will learn in this course? So explore the transformative world of artificial intelligence in this comprehensive course. This course is actually provided by the IBM Corporation on a Alison platform. So whatever you will learn from the IBM, okay? And you will get the certification from the Alison. If I check the different modules which are available for this course are module 1, that is an introduction to AI, and in that we have a multiple basic description of a generative AI, machine learning, NLP, deep learning, AI ethics and biases, AI governance, and then we have a summary slide. So it includes both videos as well as a PowerPoint presentation and the PDF data in this course. And once the course is completed, we have a second module which is called as a course assessment, where you have to actually give a test of like a 25 questions and you can pass that test. Once the test is passed, you can pay a minimal amount and get the AI certification from the Alison. Now what is a course description? So course description is something which provides the information about the AI and other concepts in this course. And then we have a Alison certificate. All Alison courses are free to enroll, study and complete. To successfully complete this certificate course and become an Alison graduate, you need to achieve 80% or higher in each course assessment. So you need to secure 80% of marks in your course assessment. If I go down, this is ideal for sharing with potential employers, great for your CV, professional social media profiles and job applications. So you can use this certificate to improve your resume, or you can just share it with your employers. If I go down, so there are like three types of certificate: digital certificate, then a physical certificate and a frame certificate. So digital is something which is a downloadable PDF format. Certificate of physical is something like you will get a physical certificate of that, and frame certificate is you will get a physical copy of frame of that your certificate. So there is no much difference. You can just go with the digital certificate and print it down. And if I go down, so there are some other courses which is provided. It is a sample. Okay, I have already logged in into the course, and let's continue learning. So we can check what are the modules which are available with this. So this is a learning outcomes, like what you will learn once you complete the course. And on the left hand side you can see we have a course module where the first slide is of a like presentation or a document, then we have a video, then video and presentation. It's like we have a source as well as a video, and we will get a study material with this. And after that we have a course assessment where you actually have to complete the topics. So you can see it says like for a final assessment of this course I need to complete this module. So this simply means that you first need to complete all the course, and after that only you will be able to get the assessment. And once assessment is done, you will get the certificate on 20% discount. So you can see I have like a pre-order now, so I can pre-order the certificate with the 20% off. So this is how you can just go to the Alison and you can do a certification. If you want the certificate, you can just go and claim your certificate by paying a minimal amount. You can just improve your skills using this course content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.